Hey there, so in this video we are going to talk about WordPress Studio. So basically, if you know that WordPress Studio, there is no way to access database for your WordPress website inside WordPress Studio. So there is kind of hack we can use to access the database. So first let me quickly start my website from the studio. And if I go to plugin, we have to just install a plugin called SQL Buddy. And yeah, I already installed this plugin, and it is also activate. Once you install this, go to Tools, SQL Buddy. You see this, but just nothing to worry, just click on tables and then you will able to see the tables entry. Also you can search your thing, so you can enable disable the columns you want to see. Yeah, there is one thing that you cannot run the SQL query over here, but yeah, you can see the database entry and search the database entries using this plugin. So yeah, this was the quick update or solution or tip for checking the database using WordPress Studio. So if you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.